Welcome to Letham Trading. Now we are going to see Nifty end of the day analysis of 8th March and the trade setup for tomorrow. See, the first thing is the CPR. The CPR is in uptrend, so most probably we'll see for a call position. And the width of the CPR. Here the width is not too narrow and it is not very wide. So see the first 5 minutes candle and where the market opened. The first 5 minutes candle is a bearish candle, right? And it is a breakout, right? But observe here, here the market closed in the first 5 minutes candle, right? If you take a put position with this first 5 minutes candle, you will be in a bearish position only. Here after this closing, if you take a put position, then what is your target? Your target will be up to L5, right? So here from 585 to 620, it is only 40 points. See, we most probably take a trade for 80 minimum 80 points, right? So this is not a good risk reward ratio. Your stop loss will be here, right? Here at this point, right? So if you take a put position, your stop loss, your reward will not be very good, right? So without taking a trade is a best thing on put side today. And we'll observe the next candle. Here the next candle is an indecisive candle and it is a slight bullish candle. And also observe, you should always correlate with Bank Nifty, right? Here the first 5 minutes candle in the Bank Nifty is a support from L5, right? So we are not on the put side. We are not so confirm about the put side, right? So we'll observe the second candle. So here the second candle, this is 200 EMA. It is a support at 200 EMA. Still we are not going to take a call position because though it is a support from 200 EMA, there is L4, right? So after crossing this L4, we have a confirmation about the call position. Without crossing this L4, we don't have a clear confirmation about the trade. And observe the second 5 minutes candle. Again and again it is taking support, right? So observe this fourth candle. After this, in this fourth candle, after crossing this L4, you can take a call position and your target will be of 80 points. That is almost 40 points in options, right? If you take a call position here at this point, your target will get hit. Of course your target will get hit here at this point, right? What if you don't take a call position here after this big green candle? If you see the graph and if you want to take a call position after this green candle, I don't suggest you to take a call position after this green candle, because if you see this type of candle, if you see this type of graph, whenever you see this graph on next time, you will definitely have some idea, right? With experience you'll get that trade. If you miss this day, you will trade this type of graph another day. You should not be in a hurry to take a trade. If you miss to take a trade here, the call position, just avoid taking a trade. If you hit a stop loss by taking a put position, avoid taking another trade. With one trade you will sustain in the market. If you are going to take a number of trades, you will end up losing your capital. So here if you miss to take a call position, just avoid taking a trade, because there is no, this is according to our setup, right? But this is not according to our setup and we don't know where the market is going to take it on. So if you miss to take that first trade, I'll advise you to don't take any trade today. Always we see for a proper setup, right? Without a proper setup, we don't go for the trade. We'll just wait for the next day. Even if the next day is not giving us any opportunity, we are just protecting our capital and observing the market. That is a great thing you can do in the trading. And this is the only trade where we can take a trade today. And observe the next day. Here the market's CPR is very wide for tomorrow. So since the CPR is very wide for tomorrow, then market will not be too good to take trades. But the best trade where you can go is here. Here you can take a put position for sure. You can take a put position here at this point, the only best trade we can see here is at H3 only. If the market opens in between this range, the market will not be easy to take a trade, because there will be a stop loss hitting. Because if the market breaks to the upside, the momentum will be very slow. It may take again a dip after the some momentum, and then again it may take some dip, so premium melting will be very high. If the only best thing is the H3 reversal. And if the see, this L4 will also act as a major support for tomorrow. If it breaks to the downside, then after retracement you can take a put position. If market breaks this lower CPR, then after some retracement you can go for the trade. If you take a trade after this breakdown to the downside, then if the market goes again for the retracement, your stop loss will get hit. So you should not take any trade, even if it breaks to the downside, and if it goes continuously also, you should not take any trade, because it is not according to our setup. Because if there is a chance, the market may take a reverse. If there is a chance of retracement, then only go for the trade, otherwise don't go for the trade. If it breaks the L4, then after retracement you can go for the put position. And if the market opens between this H3 to H4, if it breaks in the first 5 minutes candle itself, then you can go for the call position. If it is a reversal, then it is a, according to the price action, you see whether it is giving us you a put position. Again, this H3 will act as a major support. See, if the market opens below this, this will be a resistance. If it market opens above this, it will be a major support. So it's up to you to take a good trade in the live market. But I suggest you, if the market opens here, this H3 will act as a major resistance, and there is a reversal. Thank you. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe to our channel.